Tony huko. Haya chief of surgery katake huko 2016.
Which agriculture?
Livestock and fisheries.
Livestock.
Yeah, this one.
The two.
That
That
one.
County Anthony.
And livestock.
I love this one. The next one.
And this one is home.
Yeah.
It's a private one.
It's a private.
Yeah.
Alafu unajua ni nani ameweka hii hapa?
No, sir.
Yeah.
The time we get my account, so I'm not very sure.
Wewe ndio uko hapa? Au kupewa mahali kitabu unaweka? Umekunywa pombe lakini.
Iko on bwana. Kuna account.
Mungu anasema ameweka kitu. Eh?
Ni uoga.
Okay. Unaendanga kanisa?
Yes. Jumamosi.
Sawa. Haya, wacha tuangalie na hii gari.
Yeah, executive.
Mm.
Yeah.
Is it in use?
Actually, this is the one I wanted to give to the county attorney,
Yeah.
and then it was, the repair cost was so high.
How much was it?
It was coming to about 1.5 million expense.
1.5. Or we can buy a new one. How old is it?
This is 20. No.
It was brought from the national government.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For transition authority.
Yeah.
It was from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs.
Did the county Anthony bring a mechanic? Because that one it can give me. Our mechanic wetu ni wakora. Yeah.
It was done an evaluation.
I'm told there is you don't have a key for this vehicle.
There is a key.
There is a key.
Yeah.
I want to get a report of it.
Yeah.
Kwa hivyo hii haitumiki.
To make it.
This one?
This one is not also being used.
Who used to use this one?
This one was for
Atege.
former, yeah, Atege, but
Atege.
it used to be former DG.
DG.
Yeah, Mangi.
It's not used.
It's not used. It was
Kwa nini
misused.
nani aliwacha?
It was in the garage,
Yeah.
but there's an engine problem,
Mm.
which was costing a lot of money. So on evaluation,
Mm.
it was costly expensive.
Mm.
That's why it's there.
I would want to get that valuation report. Na hii? This one must be for somebody.
It's also private.
Hmm? Lakini umeona pale huyo jamaa anaelewa hizo magari vizuri sana, and we have somebody here from the county who doesn't understand. Nataka nijue hii gari ni ya nani? Sasa
Yes.
kama ni MCA. Nani? Who is this? Ndemo. This place is not lit. Even after these repairs, I want proper lighting of this place. Huh?
Interesting.
Kwa hivyo mtu hatuna ambaye hana gari hajaleta gari yake hapa for the chief officer ni Okari. Eh? Eh? Tutaenda huko. Tutaenda huko. Hii ni gari ya nani? KBU. Yeah?
To be former speaker,
Mm.
inatumika kwa county assembly sasa.
Who uses at the county assembly?
Naonanga ni deputy majority leader.
Who is the deputy majority leader?
Naonanga kika.
Anaitwa nani? Yeah? You people have assigned even you know there is positions you can't assign the vehicles and it's an abuse of office and procedure. You are the custodian of all these vehicles.
No, this one is independent.
Is independent.
Yeah.
Sasa. Kwa hivyo hizi gari hapa hii Which one? The backhoe, the new backhoe. Hawajaiba miguu? Eh. Wataiba lini? Si wamepasua kio naona?
Hii ilikuwa huko juu.
Eh?
Ilipigwa huko juu siku ile nilienda kulima.
Wapi huko?
Huko
Nyanchwa.
wakati walienda
Hmm. Na why don't you have public participation kabla hamjaenda kubomoa vitu? Muongelesha watu watoke polepole. Why do you have to use force?
supposed to be like that.
Eh?
First of all, public participation.
Yeah, and the people see sense why they should move, not using force. Anybody who sent it there, lazima abadilishe hiyo kio. Si iko na insurance?
Iko nayo.
Yeah, insurance itengeneze.
Tumeipima tayari.
Umepima?
Yeah.
Yeah. And kuna side mirror na kwanga hapa. This thing is new. Make sure kwamba the insurance again, kama hata kama imevunjika, it should be covered. Hii biashara ati ni county,
There is excess. Yeah. We will cover it.
make sure is it a comprehensive?
Yes, comprehensive.
If it's comprehensive, it must repair. Which insurance is it?
In India.
In India. Ilipe. Yeah. Kama wanataka biashara, they must pay. This one?
County.
County Assembly. Hiyo huwezi jua. And this one? KBY?
County assembly.
This one?
When you deputy governor.
Deputy Governor?
Yeah.
Deputy Governor has how many vehicles?
It used to work, but it has gearbox issue.
Mm.
Because your former excellence required
It is a problem with the gearbox.
gearbox.
Haijaangaliwa. Can I get the status? Sasa, tuwezi kuwa na magari yamesimama hapa ambayo itaweza kutumika instead of us thinking of buying. People, they don't have vehicles for nini, what do you call it? For projects, engineers, revenue collection. Hawa ngwana pande hii. Na ile? Clerk. Do this. Remind me, I have to talk to the speaker. All county assembly vehicles. If it's not for the leader majority, and those ones who are entitled, all vehicles must be here. Sasa, we need to discuss with the speaker to rein on his people. Yeah. And they have enough space here, and what repairs were they doing? I'm told there were repairs they were doing here. MCS.
All the MCs.
Mm.
They had to repartition them.
Mm.
Every MC gets some space, especially at the
Kwa hivyo we have got how many vehicles here?
Only 3 of ours.
3 of ours. Okay. But we did direct that all the vehicles, they must be back at Treasury.
Pressure, yeah.
How comes that they are parked here?
I don't know why.
If we were to give directive to the kwamba tuulize speaker tupe nafasi tuweke hapa, that's a different thing.
We had actually agreed that all of them for accountability purposes,
Hmm?
for accountability purposes, it
Hmm.
should be at treasury.
All those vehicles to be at Treasury. Ama wamekimbiza, you know they could have brought them right now. Yeah?
It is possible because even we don't have a logbook for this place.
Yes. Acha niulize huyu jamaa kama zililetwa lini.
We'll check on the tiles.
Mm.
Off the other side.
Huyu mzee yuko wapi? Huyu mzee ameenda wapi? Amebaki huko.
Kwa enforcement hawa.
Hebu mulika kwa hizi gari nione ni. Na inaonekana zimekaa hapa. Mzee,
Yes.
hizi gari ziliingia hapa lini? Jana zilikuwa hapa?
Mimi nimeingia leo.
Jana hukuwa?
Jana sikuwa.
Yeah.
Nimeingia leo usiku.
Yesterday ilikuwa.
Hii ilikuwa?
Hii ilikuwa
Yeah. And this one?
Even this one was around.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Vizuri. Wewe endelea na ni wewe peke yako uko hapa?
I have my colleague.
Okay.
Yes.
Haya, wewe endelea na kazi nzuri.
I thank you.
Wacha tuangalie hizi zingine.
Aya.
Sawa? Unaitwa nani?
This Catherine Ndagala.
Dagala.
Yes, sir.
Haya. Hiyo baridi upewe huyo mwingine akikuja.
I thank you, sir.
Haya. Where is agriculture? Inside here. Oh, twende.
Mimi nitaenda kuuza hapa. Mimi nimekuja nikaona inafunguka. Angalia.
Ameshuka. Bwana ameshuka kama ameshuka.
Where is agriculture? Hapa kuna mtu kweli? Eh? How are we sharing with these people, the officers?
Because we don't have space,
Hmm.
so they'd given us some space. They're quite after devolution.
Mm-hmm.
A number of their offices that are left vacant.
Hmm.
So because we didn't have space,
Hmm.
the previous government borrowed some space over here.
Hmm.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
for commissioner cooperative.
Cooperative.
Madam Pamela.
But we have said all the vehicles be parked at Treasury.
Yes.
Uliza yeye, why did she bring our vehicle here? Is this the national government thing? This property?
But this is our office land.
Land.
This one is our trade.
Which one? Trade.
Space.
Uh-huh. Hizi magari, hebu mulika hapo ndugu. This is national. Zenu ziko wapi sasa?
Upande ule.
Okay. This one? Is it national or you national? Even this one? Zenu ziko wapi? Hapo kuna gari kweli? Ebu. They are not in use? It's your vehicle?
Yeah, it's ours.
Shida ni gani?
Hii problem yake ni kidogo sana. Oil pump.
Oil pump.
Yeah.
Na imekaa hapa inaonekana how many years?
Imekaa karibu 2 years.
2 years. Oil pump.
This one is working. It's just for veterinary.
Mhm.
It's working.
But inaonekana imekaa nayo kidogo.
Imekaa
Eh?
kidogo, but it has been working.
Do you know its problem?
Problem yake ni pia ni battery na service.
Na ndio imepakiwa hapa.
Yeah.
Service and battery.
Only.
And this one?
This is also for a project. Broke down.
When?
I think
What is its problem?
ilikuwa problem ya gearbox. The project yetu.
Demo. I want to get to know the status of these vehicles. Yeah, from the mechanical department. Tukishindwa, we can give even the polytechnic here to check for us. These are the only vehicle here.
No, there must be some.
The other parking lot is empty.
It's empty.
There's no vehicle there.
Kwa hivyo gari ziko wapi nani? Back.
Maybe the project they might have been out.
Out. Is there any project at night?
No, maybe.
Hmm?
I don't have the information so far.
You have seen why I'd asked you that all vehicles,
Yeah,
the mechanical department is the one to ascertain if this vehicle is good, be used outside.
Yeah.
That's the only time you can release a vehicle. Yeah. Now, this one, fuel pump, for 2 years it's parked there, it looks a new vehicle.
yeah, it's very good.
Huh? The other one, a battery.
Yeah, battery.
Can I ask you, my brother, can I be everywhere?
No, you can't.
All the time?
No.
Name.
Sir?
These are the things you could do.
We're doing services.
How comes that now I call you from home?
They are a bit slow, but we have done it, Your Excellency. We give instructions.
Therefore, we don't have any vehicle here, isn't it? Where else do you want us to check the vehicles? You have seen all the vehicles against what we have.
Yeah.
What I want to see is who has which vehicle and where was it tonight. And the good thing today is Saturday.
Yes.
Is it Saturday or Sunday? Saturday. Eh? Therefore, I would have expected, because it's over the weekend, all vehicles could have been parked. People, they have their vehicles, the vehicles of the county. You have seen some of them who have actually parked their new vehicles here, and they are using county vehicles. Whereas I park county vehicles, I use my own vehicles.
I expected also to find the one for Chief Officer Agriculture here. The newest one. It's not here, I'm surprised.
That's Okali.
Yes, sir.
He has the new vehicle in his, I'm told, again, you have allocated him a house around here. Therefore, he drives there. Huyo mtu, Monday, is not using the same vehicle. He will be given the oldest vehicle around. The new vehicle to be parked there. And even that old one, it must be parked there. Yeah. That new vehicle I will allocate for even revenue. Mbaka, that vehicle to be withdrawn from that person. Who else? Okay. Who else that we have not found, especially the chief officers and
For the CS, I'm told they travel.
the CSCS, it traveled. That one, no problem.
Then there is KBY 013 for water.
And the CC culture sports is in Nakuru.
Seemingly, directors, they can even go with vehicles to their homes. Eh? When CECs and chief officers, they have left their vehicles behind. Eh? That's impunity. Where's order? You'd have said I would have not come here. Even this place, if it's being guarded by the police, where are the police? And these are government official cars that are around it.
Somebody can walk out with it.
Yeah. We go to Public Works. I'm told there is more vehicles there. Public Works ni hapa chini? Eh? Hapa hivi. Ni mtu gani tena which director has a vehicle? Director gani?
Commissioner Cooperative. ADSP.
Katie said P. Yeah. Okay. We go to Public Works there.
You got anything?
Wewe mzee yuko wapi? Acha kuja. What happened with this vehicle, Mbaka?
This one,
I've seen it here for a long time.
hii pump yake ilikataa kurudi.
Ikakufa hivyo. How old is it?
Tulipatiwa, it was a donation from Major Mechanical Unit, National Mechanical Unit.
It's obsolete completely.
Yeah.
Haya. Hii gari ni ya nani? Wasco. Huyu mzee yuko wapi? Huyu mzee alikuwa hapa, yuko wapi? Mwaka. Biole. Embeo. Mokongol. Gali ne yangira. Gali erga. Ne yang. Mo engineer. Oyo sei no. Nagia koro. Auka. Nagia tigre gali ai. Kwenye beka gaiga ogenda ne account. Nere. Okay. Ngaon tura ligelinga kiga sigendreta. Hii tractor inafanya kazi? Inafanya? Ya nini? Lakini inafanya. Okay.
This is for national housing.
National housing. These are their machines. Now, where do they have their yard?
These are their offices.
These are their offices?
Yeah.
Okay. Easy? Hii?
Hii ilikuwa ya hospitali. I think it is being used for carrying some rubbish.
Carrying what?
Rubbish.
Inasomba uchafu kutoka pale TC kwenda hospitali.
This one?
This one is a private one. I don't know.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
The offices are here. Hii truck
Hii ni yetu.
inafanya?
Pia ilipata shida. The JK vehicles we were given.
Haina nini?
Haina gearbox, haina engine, lakini walinunua engine ije kubadilishwa na ingine yenye iko hapo ndani. Sasa
Hiyo ingine walipeleka wapi engine?
sote ziko hapo.
Na ujui hiyo maneno Mbaka, and you are in charge of these things.
Najua iko engineer.
And the other two, are they working?
Hizo ndio sasa zinafanya
Zile zinafanya.
Zinafanya? Hizi ndio tuliamsha juzi.
Yes.
Na mlikuwa mmeacha zimelala for long.
Zililala
Miaka ngapi?
karibu
3 years.
Yeah.
And now they are working.
ya wapi.
Mbona hao watu hawakuja waibe hii instead ya kuiba ile ya Emenwa? Because Emenwa was new. This is an old one. Hii kitu ni kwa nini haifanyi kazi?
Hii iko broke down.
Can we get the status report of it?
Yeah.
Eh?
It is there.
Yeah. Whose vehicle is this?
Must be private.
Private. All these private vehicles being parked in the in county government offices,
Yeah.
because we pay police officers, we pay these watchmen, we can generate some revenue.
Yeah, they either pay
Eh?
or they leave.
Yeah. And that's your work, nani?
Sir.
Yeah. Hii gari ilikuwa ni ya nani?
Hii ni ya enforcement, direct enforcement. It used to be a lead car, then ikazeeka ikapatiwa direct enforcement.
Then, mbona iko hapa?
It is now, it broke down.
What is its problem?
It is engine. It's seized.
Your Excellency, we have 4 of these vehicles, this type, and all of them are grounded. And we have requested for a formal report so they can evaluate and see if they can be revived, Excellency. There are 4 of them.
Okay. And this one?
This one is for communication. Executive office.
Mm.
It also broke down.
When?
It's not a big deal. This one is less than 30,000.
Less than 30,000.
Yes, Your Excellency.
And you have not fixed it, my brother.
We have not fixed it.
Wewe nani? Hii gari ikuwe fixed. Hata kama ni pesa yangu nitatoa ikuwe fixed.
Na pressure brake,
Yeah, only.
Eh?
Yeah,
ikiraji na pressure brake.
and it moves.
Huyu mtu wa kamera yuko wapi wa communication? Why is it that you are looking for a new vehicle and this vehicle is inafanya nini? Inafanya
We've
kazi.
never known what the problem is.
Here
Who used to be the driver for this vehicle?
He retired.
He retired. He retired and I left it here na mkaisahau.
This is the best vehicle for communication.
Can I get its report?
Noted, sir.
Sasa?
Yes.
Let me get its report. Mbaga is saying it's only 30,000.
Yeah. Ni clutch.
And the money that people are stealing around is a lot. Actually, watu mmoja naiba milioni moja, and here we're talking of 30,000. We could have fixed the vehicle.
This is a strong vehicle.
Even from the thieves, if we recover 30,000, we can repair it. This one?
This is for CC roads here.
Uh,
It has also a problem. Gearbox issue.
gearbox.
Yeah.
Hata miguu. Angalia.
Na miguu pia.
Hata polisi akikamata wewe, si hii miguu hakuna? Ama mlibadilisha watu wamekula miguu ingine?
Hii imeenda sana.
But you see hiyo mguu imeisha.
Imeisha.
But it has been here for some time.
Yeah. Sometimes.
Demo. Let me get the status report of these things. Na hii?
Hii ni director health.
Who is the director health?
It is Matiko.
Matiko. Is he using it?
Hapana.
Eh.
Ile tulileta ilikuwa imekoma gearbox.
Eh.
Wakatengeneza lakini wakapata kaunti yao ni mbaya.
Ka?
Kaunti gia ni mbaya.
Okay. All these vehicles I'll need to have a status report, wangwana. Na hii inafanana kama ya communication?
Hii ni sub county.
Eh.
Sub county ya South Mugirango.
Na mbona imevunjika vunjika hivi?
Iko na issue ya gearbox pia.
Gearbox. Seemingly you have a problem with your drivers.
Yeah, correct.
Eh?
Yeah.
We have the 250 something drivers,
Yes.
and all of them, I want them to be subjected to stability tests. And then nani, nataka hawa watu.
Yes, sir.
Eh? Uliona wengine hawajui kuendesha gari completely. Hawa watu watumwe huko. So that we can redistribute. Those ones who can go to sweep, they go sweeping. We can't have every vehicle that's a gearbox. Kwa hivyo, hiyo list, Monday, Tuesday, wacha nipate. I check the money for, and they have to be paid. Waende. Hata kama ni Nairobi, watakwenda. Tuangalie kazi yao. Ama tuite hiyo timu kutoka Nairobi, to come here, itest ya watu.
Yes.
Those ones who will be found they are not suitable for driving, na wamedanganya, to discipline wao. Na hii?
Hii ni ya revenue.
Pia mmeua.
Ni some engine problem.
Engine problem, lakini hata hizi vitu imetolewa imepelekwa kwingine.
No, maybe we need to find out from Mumbiro here.
This place I said it is CCTV zimewekwa. Eh? Si ndio? Hizi ni zile waliweka juzi. Okay. This one? Hii
Inapata rings, yeah. Ni ya revenue.
inatembea?
Yeah. Inatembea kabisa.
But pia nataka ipakwe rangi bwana, angalia. Rims peke yake?
Rings.
How much is it?
Sema ni kama 20,000 kufunga engine.
20,000. Land Rover?
Hii ni brakes. It is a very good Land Rover.
Brakes. It has been here for how long? Eh?
Na pump.
There's a vacuum pump.
Yeah.
The one who ordered for it to be made so that I can be able to use it when we're in water for.
Is it being used?
No, they are fixing the brake the vacuum pump.
Huh.
The guy who fixed the KBY in Nairobi.
Hmm.
Coming to fix it.
It has been here for how long?
About 2 months.
2 months.
Ni gari strong.
Very strong.
Haya, sasa. Na zile pale?
Those are rigs.
Yeah. Are they in operation?
Yes, they are, except the truck, the support truck. This one normally fails the gearbox because of the weight. So when they're moving out, they have to take the gearbox from that machine for it to move the field. And we have
Mulinunua hii gari lini kama ina fail kwa sababu ya weight, because any vehicle must have been
2015.
measured against
2015.
some people were in a hurry for eating. Yeah?
Most likely,
But
Your Excellency.
they were in a hurry in eating, isn't it? And they got it wrong.
They got it wrong.
So yeah? And this one?
This is for Kitutu Chacheno,
Yeah.
sub-county vehicle.
Like, what is this problem?
Gearbox also.
Gearbox.
Yeah.
Ah.
Same.
All these people must be put to
Retested.
test.
Yeah.
Easy?
These are private.
Private. What is happening here? Mnajenga nini hapa? What are you building here?
Hii nasikia ni National Construction Authority.
Yeah.
This is the one.
What is it doing?
They want to build an office or something.
Ah. But in whose land?
This is national land.
You share?
Yeah, we share.
Okay.
The housing.
The offices we have here, they don't belong to the county. They don't belong to the county. These are national offices. So we are only housed here.
Which one? These ones here?
Yeah, because of the arrangement we had from the previous regime. Yes.
But we have a big land. We have a big space.
Yeah, but the problem is that you see we do not have enough spaces, Your Excellency. So the previous government had requested some spaces wherever there were spaces. You see in a house here, which has a pending bill issue, and we occupy it. I think the one for public works, water, for water. It has a pending issue, and they will not even
Rent?
pay it. Pending bill.
For?
Bill.
For? It
The
was
amount.
no. It was built.
It was built, but it did not qualify to be paid. So we occupied it. Yes, sir. So
All right.
So now we need
I'm happy that I have some work to do from Monday. And Demo, you have some work. Huh?
yes, sir. So that we clear this backup. We don't want to be told that our vehicles at ATC. Are you sure the vehicles at ATC?
No. ATC is near. We'll drive there. Don't worry. We'll go there. How many vehicles do you think that? Four. Who has them?
that is for, there is an office for Nagrib, then for the principal, 2 vehicles. Yeah.
You want us to see them, so that there is no doubt.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is the last place.
All our vehicles are at home. Eh? I want to know what estimates of works to be done in all these vehicles that which are stalled, so that we can see if they can be brought back to the road. Sasa, yeah. Hii rola inafanya? Ni rola ama ni nini? This is a roller. This is our roller, isn't it? Is it working?
yeah, because it's normal. Moves out of this place.
And we have said back, we are not going to rent vehicles of the county to our contractors. Sasa, let them look for other machineries elsewhere. It's conflict. We can't give them contracts, then they come back to again get our machines to do them. We're not going to accept that. Kwa hivyo nilisema irudi because it was to do some roads the other side. Yeah. How many of this one do you have other than the one which was stolen, which was
There are two.
There are two.
Yeah.
Working.
They are working.
Okay. Sasa. Eh? There is a new one which is not working. Why is it?
I think how many because we didn't check.
The other one, where is it? Emeno ilibebwa na wale wezi ikapelekwa Kisumu kuuzwa.
Ingine ni ile imeharibika.
Actually even unaona hiyo kitu ya mbele is new, the one in Kisumu in the melting plant. New is the one that they took there to melt it. Sasa na ile gari?
Hii ni ya Guasco.
Wasco?
Yeah.
Okay.
These are the officers for water, environment, energy, climate change.
We have issues with the payment, but we occupy them.
But it seemingly they didn't meet all the criteria.
No, they didn't.
Hii ni nini? Hii ni hoteli ama ni?
Hii ni hoteli kwa like.
Oh. Sawa, ATC.
Chagua achilia.
Hakuna kamera, okay.
Nganje ko rundi ko.
Jafet understand ndinge sana kubwa abantu bandi.
Lakini mama Jafet boy.
Yeah?
Jafet is smooth operator.
Jafet is an ex.
Jesus.
Oh.
So he's capable ya kujua hizo, ndio maana anajua akijua gari iko na hii shida, si ati anaenda kuiangalia na asijue makosa.
Ete grip, ete video. Oh, kadite ya. Ngeta video ne kore leo chese kura kamen.
Ama ile ile. Lakini watatu ndio nyuma.
Semboza ngeti te kwende mbeke. Baraki beke video. E play tare karuba.
Play ngaki.
Video kwa rekodiga. Iyo. Takutana nchiweke chitia za live.
Pode morar.
Why is Mbaka? Mbaka. Hii ni gari gani?
Hii ni ya revenue, iliharibikia hapa. We developed a miss.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When was that?
That was last week.
Last week?
Yeah.
And you have not checked on it?
We checked on it, then they discovered there is a fuel pump issue sensor. Yeah.
It must be fixed this week.
Yeah.
Eh? Nai, this one?
This is now for Nagri.
Nagri.
Yeah, project vehicle.
Who uses it?
5 or 6.
Who uses it?
5 and 5 or 6. Okumu.
This is for Kumu.
Yeah.
And the Kanta?
This is for the hospital. I don't know why it has come.
I'm told that it has a problem. What is it?
We've got a warrant.
Warrant of arrest?
Yeah.
And I'm told that there are 80 warrants.
But the one I was given by the in charge at Ruaraka, there were 12 vehicles.
Now listen. Any driver who was less than 60, what I've been telling the people.
I think we need to do some.
Who brought those vehicles to the stadium?
I'm the one who brought them.
Who had them? The nanny who was using those vehicles?
They are MOH. You know, Your Excellency, there are certain vehicles that we are counting, but they are the sub-counties, MOH ones.
Oh, that's what totalized to 60.
Yes. Yeah.
Have we improved in any one or two vehicles?
Yeah,
or?
we have improved.
And some have also died.
Some have also died.
Yeah.
These vehicles, machinery is like patients, Your Excellency. Tomorrow they are at the ward. They come out of the ward.
No. This one, the word that we inflict ourselves with diseases, like the one we have seen, all gearboxes, they're down.
Yeah.
Huh?
Appropriate, Your Excellency, we can do another audit, and then we can have an update report.
When?
Give us the whole week.
The whole week.
Audit, and then you can have the report.
I want to know who is owning what,
Yes, sir.
who has which vehicle, and what does it do. And especially the ones that we have not found here. Forget about the sub-counties. Yeah. Sub-counties, like yesterday, they are telling me, like Nyamach, that fuel for 200,000 is for 3 months. Total liters, is it 1,100? And I think 60. We started calculating. What did we get?
Because that it should be able to take about less than 100 for 3 months.
Less than 100. Because if I use my vehicle here, I was putting on the higher side 20,000 for 270 kilometers from Nairobi. Naenda mpaka nyumbani, that's 300 kilometers. Therefore, if it's for 1,000, it's 20,000 times 3, that's 900 liters. Isn't it? Sindio?
Correct.
Actually, 900 kilometers, not even liters. Kwa hivyo, if I do, that is 60, 60, 20, 20, 60, 80,000, I've done 1,100 kilometers. What these people, they are telling me 200,000 when I'm only spending 70,000. That's only one facility. Again, that's what they've been stealing around. Whereas we don't have any drugs. They are stealing from fuel, stealing from drugs, everything. And then we must help me in this, especially for the people who don't.